Hey everybody, welcome to the blog. It's Santa Clarita Open Houses. I'm Connor. Today's going to be the 22nd of June, 2025. 102 listings have been added to this market in the past 7 days. I did put up a blog post there at Santa Clarita openhouses.com/blog. You'll be able to see it. And what I did is I broke down these listings, not so much by address. You can find those at the homepage there. You can look at all the listings. I have the system automatically filtering the newest on the market first, but you can, of course, change the structure. If you want to see the older properties that have been on the market longer because you believe there might be a better negotiation ability with those, feel free. You can change the filter and modify that. But right now, looking at these properties, they run the realm. They run the gamut of being very expensive, millions of dollars, and to the lowest end, about 500,000, high 400s, has been placed on the market, depending on if it's condo, townhome, single family residences. Some of the people that walk into the open houses that we often host, and as of today, in fact, let's get back to that. Let me give you the intel on that for this Sunday. What kind of open houses are going to be scheduled? Yesterday, it was somewhere in 270s, 203 currently going to be held open today. You can see those just by going to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. What I did is I made sure that I kept it completely unlocked, so you as a consumer can get the actual information from a local source instead of having to try to look at these syndication sites, which all have the games they play trying to get you to give up your personal and private information. So check that out for Sunday. I will keep you posted. I'll be back tomorrow with another show talking about the Santa Clarita real estate market, how you can best protect yourself when buying or selling real estate. I'm Connor, and stop by the open house. We have it on Claiborne today here in Saugus. It'll pop up at the first one being featured because, well, it is my website. Then everything else here as well. Very easy. I'm Connor. We'll talk to you the next one. Thanks for watching.